With the permission of the Honorable Court, Your Honor.
Proceed.
Now, I'm showing to you a bunch of receipts for your examination and perusal, and kindly tell the Honorable Court whether you know these receipts. Pinakikita ko po sa inyo ang katakot-takot na marami resibo. Pakitignan po ninyo at sabihin ninyo sa husgado, sa kagalang-galang na hukuman, kung kilala ninyo o alam ninyo yung resibo na yan. Witness examining the same. Para isang marka.
Bunch of receipts.
Kilala ba nyo yan?
Kilala
Ano
ko
po
po.
sagot niya?
Kilala ko po. Yun ang mga resibo na nabayaran ko sa Treasurer's Office na Marikina.
Alright.
For what years are those?
Anong kaya?
For the year 2010. 2010, sir. March 18, 2010. (2001) for the Cristina Rocco,
We will request, Your Honor, that the receipts, official real property tax receipt, dated 9/14/201, 0192713, Your Honor, in the name of Maria Cristina, Corona Maria Cristina R, be marked in the amount of 8,075 pesos, which bears a rubber stamp impression, paid, be marked as
129.
Exhibit 129, Your Honor. Likewise, official receipt number 0192712, dated 9/14/201, Your Honor, under account number 55816.
Marked accordingly, and all of these receipts are in the name of Corona Maria Cristina,
Maria Cristina, Your Honor.
and the payment is for the account of Mr. Vicente.
yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Your Honor, may I make a manifestation? The receipt states that received from Maria Cristina R. Corona, not from Mr. Vicente.
Yeah, precisely. So it is a receipt from Maria Cristina Rocco Corona,
That's correct, Your Honor.
but for the account of Mr. Vicente.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. And the title of the property still remain in the name of Maria Cristina Rocco Corona.
The receipt, Your Honor, if I may make this manifestation again.
I'm talking of the title of the property. They are unregistered in the name of Mr. Vicente until now.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay.
Registered under the name of Maria Cristina Corona, Your Honor, the title.
Where is that statement? The receipt appears to be in the name of Maria Cristina, but there is no mention of what you had been trying to tell the court.
That was the question of the presiding officer.
No,
But there is nothing in here which shows that the title is in the name. We are referring to the receipt.
let me clarify. Let me clarify so that there will be no wrangling. All these receipts, real estate tax receipts, are in the name, are from Maria Cristina C.
Yes, Your Honor.
Rocco
Declared
Corona.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. For the account of Mr. Vicente Corona.
No, Your Honor. It states account number 55816, declared owner Corona Maria Cristina R. Received from Maria Cristina Corona. Your
All
Honor.
right, okay. And until now, the titles of the 7 parcels are still unregistered in the name of this witness.
I didn't get the question. The question is directed to the witness or to me, Your Honor?
Yes, I want a clarification. The title, the TCTs, covering the 7 parcel of land.
At lahat daw po ng titulo dito sa 7 lote nito nasa pangalan ni Mrs.
Opo,
Corona.
up to now.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Hanggang ngayon,
Hanggang ngayon.
hindi pa nare-rehistro sa pangalan ninyo.
Hindi po.
O, sige. All right, is understood.
Markado na ba ito?
Yung series of receipts.
Oo.
Tapos, hindi ba yan? Hindi ba?
Oo, okay na. Okay na lang. Ano pa? Alin na? I'm sorry. Yan pa. Now, before you, I heard you state a while ago that, I'm sorry. I heard you state a while ago that you are a relative of the Coronas. Is that
Yes,
right?
sir.
Who is your relative? The Chief Justice or Mrs. Corona?
The Chief Justice.
The Chief Justice. Now, how did you happen to be the purchaser of this property?
Through a broker.
What do you mean broker?
A real estate broker. Because I have a lot of friends in Marikina
Hindi kayo
Heights.
nadidinig. Oh.
I have a lot of friends in Marikina Heights who stays beside this property, and they said that is that is open for sale, and they pointed to a broker.
Do you recall the name of the broker?
Mrs. I forgotten the name of that broker.
But he is a broker of...
Of real estate property.
Who made the offer to you actually?
It was,
Kanino po? Oh, sige.
it was the broker who made the offer that this particular lot is for sale.
You are referring to these 7 parcels. Tama ba?
The whole parcel of land, the one that belongs to Miriam and Cristina Corona, Rocco.
So you mean you wanted to tell the court that this purchase that you made covered 2 parcels, one
Yes.
belonging to Marina, the other one belonging to Regina? For clarification only.
Yes, when I came to know that one parcel is the one that belongs to Miriam, the sister of Cristina, and the other one with the 7 titles belong to Cristina Corona.
All right. Now, if as you said, now, by the way, are you in how open have you seen Mrs. Corona prior to the sale?
I only saw her twice when I bought the property and paid them in cash, in manager's check, way back in 1990. And the second time I saw her was last January 19 when she called me up. When she called me up and said, can I borrow the original deed of sale of that particular property since it's still under my name?
Right. How about Chief Justice Corona? How often do you meet him?
I have not seen him for the past 22 years except last January 5th, 19, nor even talked to him on phone.
When was the last time you met him? Met him rather?
I met him last January 19,
What year?
2012,
All right.
when they went to my place and asking for the original certificate
Now-
of the deed of sale.
Per the document of sale that you identified, the consideration is something, magkano? 509,000. Magkano? 509,000 pesos. Now, how were you able to pay that big amount? What was your source of income at the time?
I was able to pay that amount, not only 509,000, but 1,018,000, because I bought the 2 lots.
Yeah, how were you able to produce that amount?
Because I sold my house in Tandasora prior to that year.
You mean
Prior to that,
house only
yes,
or house and lot?
house and lot.
Now, where in Tandansora is that located or situated, that house and lot that you sold?
In Pilan subdivision.
In
Pilan.
Pilan subdivision.
Pilan subdivision.
Oh, ano po, magkano po nabili yun? O magkano na nyo napagbili?
I was able to sell it at 3,500,000.
I see. And how were you paid? Paano po kayo nabayaran?
I was paid in cash.
And how did you dispose of the 3 million proceeds of the sale of your
Then
Tandansora property?
that's the time I started looking for a place where I can buy a land. And I found out that there's available one in Marikina Heights. So when I paid the land, I started constructing the house and rented a place near that place in Marikina where I stayed for 4 months. And then after 4 months, I transferred to that house and finished.
Now, I also recall you having stated that you paid this 509,000 peso purchase price in check.
Yes,
Did I get
sir.
you right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now, you recall what check was that or which bank? Natatandaan po ba ninyo kung anong bangko yung check?
Hindi ko maalala eh.
Now, examining these receipts that you identified, which we will ask to be marked later for expediency, Your Honor. Now, why are these parcels still in the name of Maria Cristina Corona? When according to you, you are already the owner of this property, having purchased the same.
For lack of fund, dahil nagpapagawa ako ng bahay, hindi ko lang nagkaroon ng pagkakataon para ma-transfer sa pangalan ko.
Yeah, but that was almost 20 years ago, 22 years.
Kanya nga ho eh, hindi pa nga ho tapos yung bahay ko, nakalipat ako ron eh.
Oh, hindi ho pa. Ibig sabihin, meron ng kulang-kulang, mahigit na 20 taon ninyo nabili. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa nyo na iti-transfer.
Hindi.
I'm just wondering, Your Honor, if counsel is impeaching his own witness
Why impeaching?
with the line of questioning.
We submit, Your Honor. How could it be impeaching?
The council
Is
is
it redirect?
just getting an explanation. Come on, proceed.
Ano bang? Question on record. Wala.
Why did you
No.
not pay?
No. Yes, I recall now. Wala, matanda na po tayo eh. Now, you stated that you paid in check.
Yes,
Only
sir.
you cannot remember which bank check is it.
Opo.
Now, likewise, I heard you stated that it was a manager's check.
Yes, sir.
Going over your records, will you be able to present before this court any scintilla of evidence covering the said check? Maari ho bang check upin ninyo yung record ninyo at determine kung merong bakas, halimbawa Xerox copy o kung ano pa man?
Wala ho. Dahil lang, binigay ko lang yung manager's check sa pisang ko.
Oh.
Dahil tiwala ho ako eh. You know why? Because the mother of the justice is my ninang in my wedding.
Alright.
And then his ninong is my father during his baptismal certificate.
Hindi po kayo nadidinig.
I
Now-
trust, can I answer? I trust this Justice Rene Corona because he is my kinakapatid. Because his ninong is my father. And his mother is my ninang in my wedding.
Pero yun yung mga pinag-identify ng kanina.
Now, ito po, alin yan? Ito. Alright. Ito. Okay. Now, we have here, Your Honor, these photocopies of the real property tax receipts, Your Honor. The original of which we are showing to counsel for the prosecution for the purpose of giving them the opportunity to determine, Your Honor, whether the Xerox copies, which will be asked to be marked, Your Honor, are genuine reproduction of the respective original, Your Honor. We therefore request that, ano na? Oo, ano na? 142? 134. We therefore request, Your Honor, most respectfully, that OR number 067947 be marked as Exhibit 134.
Mark it accordingly.
OR receipt number 4712627 be marked as Exhibit 135.
Mark it accordingly.
OR receipt number 4695440 be marked as Exhibit 136.
Mark it accordingly.
OR number 0628337 be marked as Exhibit 137.
Mark
Thank you.
it accordingly.
OR number 0546929 be marked as Exhibit 138.
Mark it accordingly.
OR number 0521695 as Exhibit 139. 139? Exhibit official receipt